And now, pay attention. It's very important, guys, to create your presentation. When you be on the stage, presentation, this manner, it doesn't come itself. If you think that I will do makeup, take costume, and it look great. No, you must also create of this presentation during practice, consistency. What I mean, for example, you took like so tense in your face, in your neck, you can't do this. You have to hide incredible tense. I know you need to keep patient. Even pain comes, but it's like nothing. Demonstrate that it's nothing. That's why take off any tense in your neck, in your face, chin, muscle, relax, even make them smile. Show that it's nothing. And that is very important. Imagine people came to see performances and they will see how much it's hard, how you torture yourself. It's not the room of execution. It's on stage, your dance, you're entertainer, and make your audience happy. That's why happiness shows your face and makes influence to the audience. That's why be more attentive for your presentation. Your walk, your arm, no tense, remember? It's this. Peter, you go here or here. It doesn't mean tense. Meaningful pose when you open arm for your partner. You must be elegant. You always feel like you're very tough guy and look like you each one knights. Respect, but not hard worker on the street. Make asphalt. No, it's hard work more harder than people works on the street. Make asphalt or something, buildings, stonework, Smithsonian. Your job is more hard, but you have to hide. Nobody can see how it's hard. Create imagination that's so easy. It's so easy. And everyone can say, I can do this too. Okay? Like that.